If there's a woman in your life who you feel deeply attracted to, and you might be wondering whether or not she wants to sleep with you. This is a really delicate situation that many guys have to face at some point. We know for sure the woman is enjoying our company, and we kinda suspect that she's even flirting with us a little. But, is she turned on by you? Or is she just being friendly? Knowing the answer to this question literally changes everything. Once you've unraveled the secrets behind her signs, you will know whether or not you should make a move or remain at a distance. In this video, you learn more about women's subtle signals when they want to sleep with you, and if you stay to the end of this video, I'll give you 3 body language secrets to make beautiful women sexually addicted to you as long as you want. With that being said, let's look at the signs a woman wants to sleep with you. Sign number 1. Engaging you in a flirtatious conversation. The first sign that a woman wants to sleep with you is if she engages you in a flirtatious conversation. A flirtatious conversation may reveal many personal info about a woman, especially her sexual wants. Flirting is a sneaky way of increasing sexual tension, through which she will create sexual tension between you, but she will bank on you to act on it. A woman that wants to sleep with you will want to explore your sexual weakness. She'll ask you about your fantasies, because that's where your sexual desires are most intense. She can even try to put herself at the center of it. For example, you say you like women in glasses, and she sends you a photo wearing glasses and a little seductive look. That is a woman that's trying to capture your sexual attention. If you are unsure about this sign, try to change the conversation to something less flirty. A woman that wants to sleep with you will find a way to return the conversation back to being flirty. Sign number 2. She touches you. Touch can be a very powerful sign of desire. A woman that wants to sleep with you feels safe and comfortable around you. You become more familiar with her, the more her emotions grow towards you, and she will soon start touching you subconsciously. In her mind, she has touched you in the most wishful areas you could think of. Touching you can be her way of encouraging you to touch her. Most women will start touching a guy's arm as a way of establishing their presence. A woman that wants to sleep with you will start touching your chest, neck, hair, or knee. Touch can also trigger intense sexual tension, which looks like a good idea for a woman that wants to sleep with you. Sign number 3. Her body language suggests she wants it. A woman's body language can tell you if she wants to sleep with you. Women are the masters of seduction. Men can be easily sexually aroused by what they see. That makes it easy for a woman to use body language to seduce you. She'll want to be as close to you as possible if she is sexually interested in you. That proximity creates an intimacy that favors her desires. When a woman is sexually attracted to you, she will want you to see her femininity. She'll act more feminine around you, she might push back her hair for you, to see her face or show a little cleavage to get you confused. Most guys get turned on when a girl plays with her lips. A woman will lick and bite her lips seductively if she's interested in sleeping with you. She might make it appear innocent, but she knows exactly what she's doing. Sign number 4. She's permissive to your advances. If a woman is not interested in you, she declines any advance you make. However, if she's interested in you, she displays positive responses to encourage you to continue. The type of access that you get is what will determine if the girl wants to sleep with you. A woman can allow a guy to touch her because she wants to be friends. But touch will be restricted to some places. When a woman wants to sleep with you, she allows you to touch her in sensitive places like the inside of her thighs. Most women want to impress guys they want to sleep with. That makes them more agreeable to doing things for you. Sign number 5. She invites you to her place. A woman can invite you to her place directly or indirectly. She might ask you if you want to go in. In this case, she's also testing your attraction towards her, or she will ask you for a favor that involves getting into her house. Most guys will not turn down doing a favor of a woman. She will also make it sound innocent, not to give you any ideas. But she knows that you'll be alone with her in the house. You can tell if a woman wants to sleep with you, with the effort she puts in while you are at her place. She might wear something sexually provocative to get your attention. Some women will be extra nice and pamper you while you are at her house. If she's putting more effort that highlights her feminine side, then you are good to go. Sign number 6. Flirting eyes. Women send mixed signals because they want to hide their emotions. However, there are non-verbal cues that can show you if a woman is sexually interested in you. You can tell if a girl is interested in you by how she stares at you. Eyes are a window to our soul. It's challenging for people to fake emotions with their eyes. A girl looking at you in a flirty way is a sign of attraction. But you need other signs to show you how deep the attraction goes, and if she wants to do it with you. For example, if she's looking at you in a flirty way, and she bites the side of her lower lip, that's a sign of sexual desire. Sign number 7. She is passionate about you. Sexual attraction can have a compelling force. You'll know a woman wants to sleep with you with the passion she shows you. If you have established a relationship and you can kiss, she'll be very passionate about it. It inspires intimacy, and women get very intimate with guys they intend to sleep with. When the kiss is passionate, but you are not sure if she wants to sleep with you, look how she touches you. If she wants to sleep with you, she'll touch you in the most unholy places to provoke your sexual feelings. She'll not restrict her kiss to your mouth, she'll try to kiss your neck or be playful with her kisses. Sexual desire triggers intense passion, which can be challenging for a girl to hide. Sign number 8. She wants to be alone with you. Privacy is one thing that a woman desires when she's with the man she's sexually attracted to. She will take a rain check on a date in a restaurant, and opt for a lazy time, and watch movies with you at home. When you are in a crowded place, a woman that wants to sleep with you will try to isolate you. Women are shy about being seen seducing a guy. That's why most women that are sexually attracted to a guy will try to be alone with him. The next time a girl is telling you to pay the bill and go chill in the house, brace yourself for exclusive seduction. Sign number 9. She qualifies herself. When a woman wants to sleep with you, she will show you her worth. She will indirectly try and show you why you should hit it. It's the same thing guys do when they want to sleep with a girl. The difference is guys make their signs obvious. Strong sexual desire exposes people emotionally and makes them vulnerable. A woman that wants you will be willing to expose herself to you. She might even confide in you about the guys that are trying to slide to her bed. It's a way of showing you that there are other guys that crave for her, but she chose you. A woman that qualifies herself to you and wants to impress you, and she might want more. And there you have it, the subtle signs a woman wants to sleep with you. As I mentioned before, if you're interested to attract beautiful women, sexually addicted to you as long as you want, make sure you click the first link in the description down below. Again, if you would like more videos on signs a woman loves you, and how to get a woman to fall in love with you, be sure to tell me about it in the comments. And if you want to know how to approach a girl, then watch this video.